We are here with the Windmöller, and the guy here with us is Debarun Talukdar.
Yes.
And we'll have a discussion for 2-3 minutes with Talukdar. So yeah,
Hi, my name is Devarun Talukdar. I am responsible for sales in the Indian subcontinent. And my company here, Windmöller Hölscher, is a German company. We are more than 150 years old in this business. And here in India, we've been in the business since the last 40 years now. And just 1 minute.
sure.
Yeah.
So guys, customers are here. I mean, clients are here. So this video can go interrupt. Then now, just give me a moment. Once again, Talukdar. Yeah.
Yes. Sorry about that. So we, as you see, we have a lot of customers here.
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Yeah. Sorry, you see, we have a lot of customers over here. We have been in this business in India since the last 40 years. We are specialists in blown film line, printing, and converting machines. We have a lot of key customers here in India. In fact, WNH has been responsible for expanding this industry here in India itself. I will give you a short tour of our booth. So here you see the latest technological developments that is being done by WNH or is being currently promoted in the market. We are very much into sustainability and sustainable packaging.
So guys, I can see that there are very tremendous packaging prototypes here, and these are for different
So
industries.
this is just on the plastic side. We also deal with paper bag machines. We have your bag making machines.
Great. So Devarun, what is the market size for plastic or these sort of commodities in India?
So the Indian
I mean, how-
flexible packaging is quite huge, and it has been growing at a rate of about 11 to 12%.
And for our generic understanding, like what is the CAGR per year?
It is 11 to 12%.
11 to 12%, with
Yeah.
a margin of.
I'm talking about the whole flexible packaging as a whole.
Yeah, I'm
And-
talking about packaging industry only.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what is the margin in packaging industry? Like it includes everything, corrugated boxes.
No, actually not. Corrugated boxes forms a different segment.
Okay.
Generally, what we deal is plastic extrusion, and of course a bit on paper as well.
Okay.
So from converting a resin to a film and printing on it, and then converting it into the end pouch as well, we are present into all three segments.
Okay.
So if you see around,
Sure.
this is the three groups that we have under WNH as well. So Aventus
Grant,
is a company.
And B&B.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So thank you, Debarun. It was nice meeting you. Thanks for
here.
your time. We wish